Hey there, this is Dustin from Golden Rule. The holidays are a time for twinkling lights and cozy nights. But before you plug everything in, let's make sure your home is ready for all of the extra electrical load. Let's get started. First, loose outlets and scorch marks can be an early sign of trouble. And the last thing you want is to overload a faulty outlet during the holidays. Next, test your GFCI outlets. Those are the ones with the little reset buttons. The outlets are designed to prevent electrical shocks in wet areas like kitchens and bathrooms. Test your GFCI outlets by pressing the test button and then the reset button. If it doesn't click back, it's time to call an electrician. Extension cords are a holiday staple, but don't go overboard. Make sure those are rated for indoor or outdoor use as needed and never daisy chain them. That's when you plug one extension cord into another. It's a fire hazard waiting to happen. Finally, if you have an older home, it might be worth considering an electrical inspection. Holiday lights and modern electronics can be a strain on older systems, but it's always better to be safe than sorry. Stick to this checklist and you'll have a safe, stress-free holiday season. Be sure to subscribe for more tips from Golden Rule that'll keep your home safe, festive, and hassle-free.